This estate is sitting on one of the highest points in Washington, D.C. It has a gorgeous view of the Washington Monument, the Capitol building, and all of the towns surrounding the city. The developer built this home to be for someone who loves entertaining, loves hospitality, but is also looking to live in a luxurious home themselves where they can get away from it all, even in the midst of a bustling city. Upon entering the home, a gracious foyer greets you. If you look to your left, a beautiful dining room greets you with a 20-seater dining room table. There's plenty of space to entertain. Next down the hallway is a beautiful kitchen and great room. There's a large island in the center of the kitchen with beautiful countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and all the space you need for entertaining. When you walk through the doors, there's a nice screened-in porch where you can overlook your own infinity pool and the pool house. The infinity pool in the backyard is beautiful all year round. And the accessory dwelling, the pool house, has a complete living area, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and even 2 fireplaces. It's one of my favorite places on the property. The library or study is painted in a beautiful hunter green, and the ceilings soar to 13 feet. The next room is a living room fit with a grand piano, a fireplace, and looks out onto your own deck overlooking Battery Kimball Park. The entire home is fitted with an elevator that reaches to all 6 floors. The second level up is a residence level. It has a primary bedroom with a balcony overlooking the park. The secondary bedroom also has a balcony overlooking the park, and there are 3 other bedrooms and a beautiful sitting area for you to enjoy. The master bedroom is a wonderful retreat. When you walk from the bedroom into the bathroom, you're greeted with a large soaking tub with jets, an outdoor shower and an indoor shower, 2 double sinks, and lots of closet space. 1 level above the residence is our ballroom or event space. For the discerning buyer who loves to entertain, this space is perfect for hosting all of your events. It comes equipped with a kitchenette and a his and hers bathroom, and you can reach it through the elevator so that if your caterer comes with lots of food and drink, it's easy and accessible to reach the ballroom space. The roof terrace on this home has one of the most premier views in all of Washington, D.C. It certainly rivals the W Hotel. You can see the Washington Monument, the Capitol building, Bethesda, Arlington, all of the cities surrounding D.C. from this roof terrace. In the lower level of the home, the exercise room, sauna, and wine cellar provide everything you need for a luxurious home of this size and grandeur. This home is perfect for a discerning buyer looking for luxurious living and gracious entertaining.